Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Skylight app invalid token. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Skylight app invalid token. So what you can do is head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar simply type in Skylight, and then once the app loads or the search user loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over and open up your settings. Inside settings, select general, then inside general type on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Skylight app, and then simply tap on the app. And once you're inside here, you'll be getting two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.